Alam mo, kailangan you should be really wary of where this guy Cyrus Baguio is. Ano? Kailangan alam mo kung nasaan siya, kung may hawak siyang bola, kahit wala. Napakabilis at napakadali sa kanya gumawa ng points para sa Red Bull.
Down to a 3-point lead ulit para dito sa Barangay Nebra. Here's Eric Meng. Makapagal. Escalona ngayon. Escalona umaatake. Escalona. Saan pupunta? Saan ang tumira? Here's Cyrus Baguio na naman. Baguio accelerates. Baguio goes up and does not get the basket this time.
But he will still get the foul.
Oo. Pero ang bilis no? Nakatalikod pa yung depensa no? Nasa atakihin niya.
At wala siyang pakialam kung apat na nandun. You can credit Barangay Nebra for 4 of their players being there already before Cyrus Baguio gets to try and make a shot, pero hindi pa rin nila mapigil.
Mahirap talaga Ito, si Maki Escalona, pinagpahinga na ulit. Did a good job. Stint sa ating ball game.
Importantly, giving a rest para kay JJ Helterbrand.
Here's Rafi Rivas. Rivas ngayon, binigay kay JJ Helterbrand. And away from play, may nakita ulit na foul ang ating mga referees. Okay, Carlos Sharma. Ang 4 na yan ni Carlos Sharma. And Juti Valenzuela, babalik na rin sa ating ball game. Helterbrand against Celino Cruz. Goes inside to Eric Meng. Spins. Too strong. Celino Cruz nagmamadali. Celino Cruz on the breaks. And a good steal here by Eric Meng. Ito naman fast break na Ginebra. JJ Helterbrand naman ngayon. JJ Helterbrand goes up. Wala naman. On the other end, ito, Cyrus Baguio. Di pa rin napipigilan. Cyrus Baguio, dire-diretso. And si Rafi Rivas tried to bump him high. Pero hindi, kailangan talaga. You really have to try to stop Cyrus Baguio high or beat him high on the court. Kasi pag nakakuha na talaga ng buwelo, ang hirap na.
You might even actually be able to give some fouls, if your team is not yet independently. Kasi kanina tatlo nasa harapan. Ito si Cyrus Baguio, nakakuha pa rin ng foul.
Ito yung ating buhay Coke shot. Yan po si Cyrus Baguio. Ganda naman. That was our buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang buhay Coke, buksan mo.
23 puntos para kay Cyrus Baguio.
More importantly, kinapyas ang lamang ng Barangay Nebra. Marca Giwa. Okay, yung tira. Ito na naman si Cyrus Baguio in open court. Cyrus Baguio binigay muna kay Junti. He shoots a 3. Kumalog. Tapik ng bola. Ends up with Baguio. Good tap by Celino Cruz. Rayback naman natitira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Helterbrand against Baguio. Binigay kay Mark. Makapagal. Libre. Bang! Press natin ni Mark Makapagal.
Natapado si Celino Cruz in that last play. Kaya naman ito sa 4-on-5 situation. Makapagal making the best.
Baksak si Makapagal at si Baguio. And a foul is called against Makapagal.
Oy, 5th personal foul, Richard, for Mark Makapagal.
Kanina pa nga 4 yan di ba, no second quarter. Palitan ng tao. Okay, Ronald Tubid, balik. Pati si Topex Robinson. Rayback, titira ulit ang 3. Yes! Press. Natin ni Michael Rayback.
Pang-4 na yan tonight. 14 points para kay Mike Rayback.
Silent operator para dito sa Red Bull. Pasa ni Tubid. Deflected.
Yes, Richard. That's one of the reasons why nakakalusot ito sila Cyrus Baguio. Dahil ito sila Rayback at saka si Pinisi will always command some attention on the outside.
And we have a tight ball game under 8 minutes na titira here in the 4th quarter. Alright, yan po si JJ Helterbrand. He went to the rescue of Barangay Nebra in the 3rd quarter. Check out this so fearless move of the game by JJ Helterbrand. Tignan nyo naman yan. That was our fearless move of the game brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it? At well, ito na nga lang pinag-aagawan nila itong fourth quarter, itong Barangay Ginebra at ang Red Bull. Tinignan natin, ha?
Sinasabi natin kanina, no? Scoring by quarters.
America's premium leisure wear, known for its technology-inspired clean designs and colorful product lines. Visit an Izod store now. Po, Izod. Okay, play will resume.
40-point second quarter para sa Red Bull. 37-point third quarter para sa Barangay Ginebra. Kaya ngayon naman, 1 point lang ang diferensya ng dalawang team.
A miss by Eric Meng. Hindi kinorek yung score. No? Labang na dito ng Ginebra ng isa, 97-96. So a chance for Red Bull to grab the lead. Ito si Nahorda. Offensive foul using his offhand. And it happened right in front of referee Joey Calongkagin.
The third personal foul. Muntik na. Akala ko matatawagan ito si Mark Macapagal for his sixth. Off late, ano? Dito sa second half of play, maganda ang ginagawa ni Mark Macapagal. 8 points. Dalawang TNCs dito sa fourth quarter.
Here's Eric Meng. Eric Meng finds Macapagal. Macapagal ngayon. Nagkaroon ng switch. Pinisi bumabantay. Ikot ng bola. 7 seconds sa shot clock ng Ginebra. And open look para dito kay JJ Hildebrand. Patuloy. 27 puntos na po para dito kay JJ Hildebrand.
Pero maganda yung pinakitang half-court offense plays galing sa Barangay Ginebra.
Here's Junti. Off the screen. Too strong. Loose ball foul. Si Topex Robinson nakisali sa mga higante. Nick Benici and Eric Meng nandun. Si Topex Robinson ang tawagan ng foul.
Lakas din ang loob, ano? Topex Robinson.
So Ginebra trying to increase their lead. Rafi Rivas. Uy, baksak na si Topex against JJ pero bangon agad. Ito, ginugulo niya si Hildebrand. Hildebrand nakawala ulit. Bounces out. Rudy gets the loose ball. Ito ngayon Topex Robinson. Binigay kay Nahorda. Nawala ng bola. They will stay with Red Bull. Baseline inbounds. Mick Benici. Nice screen provided by Rayback. Dire-diretso si Nahorda. Using the glass. In and out. Loose ball. Time si Nahorda. Napulot ni Topex. Libre na naman si Rayback for 3. Bang! DF3 hatid. Mike Rayback.
Fifth of the ball game and third here in the fourth quarter. Talk about how important ito si Mike Rayback is for the Red Bull Barako squad.
Tabla na nga po tayo ngayon. 9-9-9-9. Macapagal naman ang nasaksak sa loob. And will he get continuation? Yes, basket counts for Mark Macapagal. And Topex Robinson natawagan dyan. Tingnan natin itong nangyari dito. Ayun yung foul. Dinire-diretso na ni Macapagal. Pinaliwa mo.
Ganda nung galaw nito si Mark Macapagal. 10 points in the ball game. Of course, he will always command attention from the outside. Kaya naman nakakalusot ito si Mark Macapagal paminsan-minsan.
And he completes a 3-point play.
Still wants it by the threes.
Topex Robinson. Oh, niluwa lang yung kanyang layup. Sorry miss para sa Red Bull. Here's Hildebrand. Binigyan ulit sa screen ni Rivas. Hindi niya ginamit. Hildebrand. So Macapagal naman ang sasaksak ulit. Macapagal. Almost, ha? Ulang lang sa pectus.
Sa acrobatic shot, at meron siyang balanse after the call, after the bump. But still, he would have wanted it to go in. Ayan, you see the stats of Mark Macapagal. Nakita mo kanina yung number 1 fan ni Mark Macapagal sa bench ng Barangay Ginebra. Si Mark Gagiwa, even kung yung katukayo niya, yung kapangalan niya, at kapwesto ay maganda laro. Si Mark Gagiwa is still, of course, happy that his teammate is scoring very well for his team.